And now on ABC News 13, we have an official interview to Mark Hudson from the Houston Police Department because of the recent massive heists that were ongoing.
This is a contagious disease warning at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. It seems that an unknown disease is infecting people on all the United States territory. The virus is national, that means that this virus came from here. If you feel migraine, nausea, vomiting, heavy muscular pain, fragile bones, sudden mood changes or psychosis, call 911 immediately and you will be sent to your nearest hospital for medical attention. This message was brought to you by Comcast, in collaboration with ABC News 13 Houston, with headquarters on Texas. This is an old emergency alert system test at the request of Comcast. Comcast issued this test because of trying to use their community announcement system, that is an old version of the emergency alert system. Message brought by Comcast.
Comcast, in collaboration with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, issued a contagious disease warning for the United States. It is reported that this virus, announced the past week, is a deadly and extremely contagious virus. The virus can be transmitted by air in touch. Also, animals and food can be infected with this virus. As recommendation, we tell you to stockpile and storage every food you have in your home into a non-air space of your home, like basements, before it is infected by air. If you have infected animals, sacrifice them by the euthanasia method. If you are infected, call 911 to receive medical attention. If you ran out of food in your home, call 905. Tell your evacuation and non-infected supplies will arrive at your home. Local authorities enforce the martial law for your area. Stay safe and secure. Message brought by Comcast. This is a local alert test at the request of the Federal Communications Commission for Houston, Texas. What you are seeing now is the test of a new type of emergency alert system. This is the Nuclear Attack Warning System, or NAWS. What follows to this message is the test of the nuclear countdown and display screen. The countdown will be of 10 seconds. If your local siren system starts sounding, don't worry. This is only a drill. Please stand by for the real test.